Hello, is this the landlord?
Yes, I am the owner.
Is the apartment still free?
Yes, it is available now.
How much is the rent?
It is $500.
Does it include the water?
Yes, water is fully included.
Do I pay for electricity?
Yes, you pay for power.
Is the apartment fully furnished?
It has a big bed.
Is there a washing machine?
Yes, it is very new.
Can I see it today?
Yes, come at 5 o'clock.
What is the exact address?
It is 10 Main Street.
Is it near the subway?
Yes, a 5-minute walk.
Do I need a deposit?
Yes, 1 month is required.
I will bring cash today.
See you at 5, Leo.
Thank you. See you soon.
Welcome to the new apartment.
Thank you. It is bright.
The living room is here.
The window is very big.
You can see the park.
Does it get cold here?
No, the heating is great.
Are the neighbors very loud?
No, they are very quiet.
Do they have small dogs?
No, pets are not allowed here.
Where is the main bathroom?
It is on the left.
Is the shower working fine?
Yes, the water is hot.
Is there a fast internet?
Yes, the router is ready.
Can I test the speed?
You can test it now.
The speed is very good.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I want to rent.
We can sign the paper.
Let us sign it now.
Hello, Paul. How are you?
I am doing very well.
I brought the rent money.
Thank you for being fast.
Here is $500.
Let me count the cash.
Yes, please count it now.
The money is exactly right.
Can I get a receipt?
I will write it now.
Thank you for the receipt.
Is everything okay inside there?
Yes, the apartment is great.
Does the heater work well?
Yes, it is very warm.
Did you change the bulb?
Yes, I bought a new bulb.
Do you need any help?
The kitchen sink is slow.
I will call a plumber.
When will he come here?
He will come tomorrow morning.
I will be at home.
Have a very good day.
Thank you. See you later.
Hello, I am the plumber.
Please come inside the house.
Where is the broken sink?
It is in the kitchen.
Show me the exact problem.
The water does not stop.
Let me check the pipe.
Is it a big problem?
No, it is very simple.
Can you fix it today?
I will fix it now.
Do you need any tools?
I have my own tools.
Should I turn off water?
Yes, turn the main valve.
The main valve is closed.
I am changing the pipe.
How long will it take?
Give me just 10 minutes.
I will wait right here.
The new pipe is ready.
Can I turn on water?
Yes, turn it on now.
The sink is working perfectly.
You are very welcome, sir.
Welcome to the furniture store.
I need a wooden table.
We have many nice tables.
I want a round one.
Look at this brown table.
Is it made of wood?
Yes, it is strong oak.
How many chairs come included?
It comes with 4 chairs.
Can I buy 2 chairs?
Yes, you can buy 2.
How much is the set?
It is $200.
Do you deliver to apartments?
Yes, we deliver every evening.
How much is the delivery?
Delivery is $20 extra.
Can you bring it tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow at 6 o'clock.
I live on floor 5.
Is there an elevator there?
Yes, the elevator is big.
Please write your exact address.
I will write it down.
Thank you for buying here.